Trask here. I would like to explain a couple things with our tornado kit. This is the Trask bolt-on tornado kit for an M8 engine. It's developed for a stock M8 engine. Stock 107, stock 114, stock 117. You can put mild camshaft upgrades in your motor and then bolt the kit on. Okay, but we don't want you going ahead and bolting on a 124, 128, 131 engine kit and then put this kit on. This kit is too small for that motor. It's going to spin the turbocharger too fast and it's going to create heat down low and it's going to break parts. So we don't want to do that. This kit was designed and developed for distribution through Trask Specialties as a bolt-on kit for a stock M8 motor, or relatively stock. Okay, so you're going to get good gains at 7 pounds on the wastegate, is what we preset it at, 7 pounds. You're going to get good gains of roughly 40 horsepower. So you can expect on a 101 and 107 with a mild camshaft with the tornado kit bolted on, you can expect 150 horsepower in torque. Okay, which is plenty for most people. Now if you want to go bigger than that, then you contact Trask Performance and we get you on a stage 2 kit, which has got a bigger turbocharger and is designed for a bigger motor. Okay, so again, the bolt-on kit that you buy through Trask Specialties is designed for a stock M8 engine. We will be coming out with a long pipe option that's going to be getting released through Trask Specialties that you can bolt on your tornado kit if you desire. Okay, so you buy the kit from Drag, you ride it around, and then you go, well shit, I want a longer pipe. Well, you go back in the Drag catalog and you look it up, and there's going to be a couple of different pipe options that you can purchase, and it's basically you undo the V-band discharge flange, just remove that, take the bolt out the back of the carriage bolt out the back, take the tailpipe off, slide your new tailpipe on, Bob's your uncle.